Why is participation in this exchange program important to you?
This is boring. Let's spice it up. I am a believer of the immersion of hands-on and minds-on learning. That's what I do with my students, and they have created wonders. Now, it is my turn to learn and experience space so I can continue to stay relevant to my students. I've been to the States and learned a lot. Why not again? To be out of my comfort zone, experience something new, and share with my community. When I'm out of the box, that's the challenge of growth I'm looking forward to. I am adventurous and energetic, always pushing for something new. Hence, I am an agent of change for my students and community. They are the platform and network I'm ready to spread my knowledge with. Wondering what race I am? I'm a Malaysian, speaks fluent Malay, dances the sumazau, wears colorful saris and cooks tasty chow mein. I'm highly immersed in my local tribal culture and Malaysian culture that promotes peace, harmony and unity. I am Anuthra, a true advocate of education and culture.